Hello, my name is Ikshan and I'm a 10th grader at Briarwoods High School in the Academies of Loudon. Voluntapp is an app available on Android, iOS, and the web that helps people find volunteer opportunities that are close to them and allows other users to create volunteer opportunities for people living near them to participate in. I worked with my teammates Izyan, Smith, and Vidish to complete this project. My role was to create and manage the backend and the databases. For this project, TypeScript was primarily used to code in both the front end and the back end. The database was made with MySQL Server and was hosted on an Ubuntu Linux distribution with the back end, which was hosted on with ngrok.
My name is Izyan Zaidi. I'm in 10th grade and I go to Briarwoods High School. My role in the project was to handle the APIs. The usage of APIs is to sort data, compile it, and make it easier to run. A specific example we were using APIs in this project was in the sign-in process for holding data. Utilizing APIs this way allowed us to make the data more accessible to us and make it stored. Overall, this project allowed me to understand what APIs are and how I can input them into my projects in the future. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Smith. I am one of the two people who created the front end. I worked with my teammate Vidish on this. So my job was essentially to create a skeleton for my other teammates to build off of, who worked in the back end using the illustrations that my friend Vidish drew.
Hi, my name is Vidish, and I worked with Smith to create the front end. My job is to create the UI and make it easier to navigate our app and have a more enjoyable experience. Together, me and Smith made the front end.
I will now take you through the app and how it works. After logging into the app, you will find all of the volunteer opportunities that are available near you on the home page, as well as a minimized map at the top of the home page. Clicking on this map leads you to an actual map where you can look around to see all the volunteer opportunities near you. The next tab, the Stats tab, contains the stats of any volunteer activity that you have taken part of in the past. The next tab is the Management tab, which is only available for organizers of volunteer opportunities. It lets you create and delete volunteer opportunities for others to participate in. The final tab is the Settings tab, which just contains some basic settings for the user of the app, including their account, password, and just some basic stuff, including a button to log out of your account. This is Ikshan on behalf of Voluntapp. Thank you for listening.